Hello, fellow maintenance and operations enthusiasts. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're about to embark on a journey to explore how to enhance the efficiency of your plant operations. We'll delve into key strategies to reduce mean time to repair, ensuring that your plant operates at its optimum. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of improving accessibility, enhancing interchangeability, managing redundant systems, accounting for human limitations, and boosting efficiency in fault recognition, location, and isolation. First up, we need to talk about improving accessibility. It's all about how easily you can reach the components of your equipment. We all know that getting to the broken parts can take up a lot of time. So how do we fix this? Well, the best way is to think about accessibility during the design process of setting up a facility. But don't worry if you're past that stage. You can still make modifications to the arrangement of assets if you spot an opportunity to improve accessibility. Next, let's talk about interchangeability. When you're replacing equipment parts, it's super helpful to know which components can be physically or functionally swapped without messing up the integrity of the asset. We see this a lot with hardware items like nozzles, hoses, fastening devices, common valves, and so on. By improving interchangeability, you're making it easier to remove and replace similar components, which cuts down on mean time to repair. Now, let's switch gears and talk about managing redundant systems. This strategy doesn't necessarily reduce the amount of work needed to fix broken equipment, but it does offer a different approach. With redundant systems, you can substitute a failed system with a functioning one, reducing the downtime your plant experiences. This not only lessens the impact of breakdown time on production, but also allows your team to focus more closely on the maintenance tasks at hand. We can't forget about the human element either. Corrective maintenance is largely done by workers, so it's crucial to account for human limitations when arranging assets and equipment. A big part of this strategy involves considering the ergonomics of the workplace. For instance, think about the placement of gauges and indicators. The height and readability of these should take into account the range of heights and postures of the workers who will be reading the data. Finally, we come to one of the most challenging strategies: enhancing efficiency in fault recognition, location, and isolation. This is all about improving the skills of your workers. The goal is to boost their ability to recognize, locate, and isolate faults. While this can naturally happen as your workforce gains experience, you can also take proactive measures. Train your workers and equip them with the technical ability to perform maintenance activities well, and you'll see a reduction in mean time to repair. Thank you for joining us on this journey to enhance plant operations efficiency. We've explored 5 key strategies: improving accessibility, enhancing interchangeability, managing redundant systems, accounting for human limitations, and boosting efficiency in fault recognition, location, and isolation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights like these and visit our website at upkeep.com to learn more about our solutions. Remember, a more efficient and productive operation is within your reach with UpKeep.